embark on a debate of that treaty in the United States Senate. I indicated to him how important it was for U.S. I know he will bring the same skills and experience that he brought to Commerce Secretary to this new position that he's about to embark on.
For North Korea, the only way to ensure happiness for its people and to embark on that path to development is to abandon its nuclear ambitions.
I remember having a conversation with him about this job when he was planning to embark on this extraordinary journey. And my main message is, as you guys embark on this day of action, I want to make sure you keep this going.
Our mutual trust, further develop our cooperation and manage our differences so that we can avoid the traditional path of inevitable confrontation between major countries and really embark on a new path.
On
the basis of sincerity, then there will be a way forward to address the difficulties confronting the North Korean people. The United States has worked very hard to...
It will require some structural reforms, but it also means that Ukraine can go on a path that countries like Poland have been able to embark on and seen incredible growth over the last several years. We highlighted the need for greater energy security in Europe, which Prime Minister Tusk has championed, but we also agreed that it's going to be critical for Ukraine to embark on effective efforts to reform its energy sector and diversify its supply of natural gas. Meanwhile, the United States and Poland will continue to support Ukrainians as they embark on political and economic reforms. And we discussed how we can, as quickly as possible, bring the Paris Agreement into force, how we can make sure that the climate financing that's necessary for India to be able to embark on the bold vision for solar